Hello students, this is your science teacher Aparna. Today we are studying chapter number 8, cell structures and functions. So firstly we should know about the cell. So what is the cell? Cell is the basic unit of living things, and which are the living things? Plants and animals, both are the living things. Okay. So what is the cell? Cell is the basic unit of life. This is the smallest unit of life. And when cells combine together they form tissues. When tissues combine together they form organs, and when organs combines together they form organ system, and it makes complete body. So students, today you can see the picture of cells in board. So this is the picture of an animal cell and this is the picture of plant cell. So in this chapter we are focusing in the cell. So firstly we will study the part of the cell. So if we are talking about part of the cell, so this is the structure of cell, which is different in different types of cell. Okay, and cell contain a cell membrane. Okay, and cell membrane is the outer covering of the cell, which is a thin skin sheet. Okay, after that you can see a large spherical structure in it. This is nucleus. Okay, and between nucleus and cell wall a liquid is filled, which is transparent, clear and jelly like structure. Okay, that is known as cytoplasm. Okay, in cell some organelles are also present, which are mitochondria, ribosomes and vacuoles. Okay, so these are the organelles of the cell. Now if we are talking about the differences between animal cells and plant cells, so what are the differences? Also we can consider some similarities. Okay, so there are some similarities in plant cells and animal cells, and there are some differences also. So differences are highlighted here, and firstly we will talk about similarities, then we will talk about differences. Okay, so what are the similarities? Similarities are that in plant cell and animal cells both have nucleus. Okay, in plant cell and animal cell both have cell membrane. So these terms which are written in middle of the both picture are the similarities. Okay, so nucleus is present in both cells, cytoplasm is present in both cells, cell membrane is present in both cells. Okay, chromatin is present in both cells, which forms chromosomes. Okay, so these are the three components of nucleus, which are nucleolus, nuclear membrane and chromosomes. So chromatin forms chromosomes. Okay, and mitochondria also similar in both cells. Now what remain? Vacuoles. So vacuoles you can see in bracket small is written here and in bracket large is written here. So what is the difference between animal cell and plant cell? In case of vacuoles, vacuoles are small in size in animal cells and vacuoles are large in size in plant cells. Okay, now other thing is cell wall. Cell wall only present in plant cells. You can see this is the cell membrane of plant cell, and in the outer side of plant cell wall is also present. Okay, and vacuole you have I have already told that vacuole are small in animal cells and large in plant cells. Okay, now one other thing is written here. So these 3 points which are written here are differences. Okay, so third one is chloroplast. So which type of plant cells? Which are photosynthetic. Okay, which are photosynthetic. A line is written here. A photosynthetic plant cell has chloroplast in it, and some other plant cells they have different plastids in them. So this table contains the differences, and these differences are also written here. So which labeling is given in middle of the both picture? These are the similarities and these are the differences, and it is also explained here. So in an animal cell, cell wall is absent, and in a plant cell, cell wall is present. In an animal cell, vacuoles are small in size, okay, and in a plant cell, vacuoles are large, okay. In an animal cell, chloroplast is absent, and if we are talking about plant cell, then chloroplast is present in plant cell. And which type of plant cell? Which are photosynthesis. So students, I hope you have understand. If you have any doubt, then please ask. Thank you. Have a nice day.